Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And in this video, I am going to show you some lakhs of jobs for the 10th pass, 12th pass ITI diploma graduate and the postgraduate candidates. And all over the India, from any state you can apply. That means huge number of jobs are there from the state wise. I will show you. And online jobs, work from home jobs and offline jobs are also available. Okay, so before going into the content of this video, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my videos as immediate notifications to your devices. And now coming to the present content of the video, here you can check down, it is a National Career Service website. It is under the Ministry of Labor and Employment. So in this website you can able to see the job fairs and the offline jobs, online jobs, work from home jobs and the training, the job related trainings, all these things you will get here. So in my next videos I will show access how to get the job and how to apply the job one by one. But right now in this video I'm just going to show you the introduction regarding the work from home jobs and the trainings and the state-wise jobs here. Okay, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. After clicking on this one, then you will enter into this website. And if you scroll down, here you can see the state and union territories wise and the sectors wise you can check down. Okay, and other categories. Okay, the government jobs and the internships. Okay, so all these things you can check down here. So coming to the state and union territories, first, for example, if you belongs to the Andhra Pradesh, then click on this one. Then it will be directed to the jobs posted by the companies in the Andhra Pradesh state. So you will be directed to this one, and if you scroll down, here you can see the section officer, more than or equal to 3 years, and the company is the Cassius Technology Private Limited. Okay, so if you want to apply, then click on this one, but before applying you have to register for this one. Anyhow, how to access the complete website and what are the contents you will get in this website, that I will show you clearly in my next video. Okay, and next one is the education counselor, next senior graduate assistant industrial engineer, okay, medical coding and the dietitian and the nutritionist, so nursing and the junior relationship executive. So like that, the number of jobs you can access here, the trainees, operate trainees, agency development manager or the sales manager. Okay, so the candidates who are looking for the jobs, if you're the 10th pass, a 12th ITI diploma or graduate or postgraduate, so definitely you will find out one jobs definitely in this website. And coming to the online jobs or the work from home, here you can see this one, work from home or online training. So click on this one, then you will be directed to the work from home jobs. Okay, and you can check down the job fairs also here. The list of the job fairs also will be updated. I will show you how to get the job fairs. So these are all the work from home jobs, guys. Home based telecaller for credit cards and the executive HR. So if you want to get the details regarding this one, just click on here, then you will be directed to the details regarding this one. See guys, minimum qualification required is the 12th pass, and this company name is the Wise IT Ventures Private Limited, and the gender preference is the female. The total number of vacancies are 200 and the salary is 8,000 to 25,000, and here the phone number, mobile number and the email ID is also given here. Okay, so like that, the huge number of jobs you can access here. So all these jobs are the work from home jobs. So this website will be really helpful and for the candidates who are looking for the jobs. And here you can see that one thing is scrolling, the statewide online mega job fair on 14th October 2020 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so regarding this one also, this online mega job, that I will come with the next video and I will give you the complete guidance how to participate in that online mega job and what are the things you have to follow. Okay, I will come with my next video. So to get all these videos, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, then you will get my videos as a notifications to your mobile phones. Coming to the upcoming job fairs, see guys here, if you click on this work from home, then this window will be pop up, and here upcoming job fairs, click here. Then here all the job fairs already done, and the upcoming job fairs you can check down. Online job fair on the National Career Service portal from 28th September to 10th October. That means right now few job fairs are running here. Okay, so the complete access of this website that you will know from one by one gradually in my next websites. Okay guys, so please share this video to your friends who are looking for the jobs, online jobs, because in this pandemic situation the online jobs are most suitable. So please suggest or else please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end the course is going to be finished, and by the starting of the November month you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020 guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profile link that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET Electronic Science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018, July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you guys.